Hey guys, I'm back with another video with Banana Man. And we are going to play Thomas the Train for all you Thomas the Train little kid fans. We're just going to bring back some memories and some memes. So let's make this a fun little game.
Okay, set it up on the wall, dude. Set it up on the wall so we can have some. No, on the wall. So
No.
Amazing times with our Thomas the Train.
Guys, look at this. I got my train track here, and we're going to
Hey
set
guys, this is Thomas. You see this? Chunky. Oh, hi, person. Who are you? A chicken. Wait, lay on the ground. Hey, Mr. Guy, lay on the ground. Guys, don't you love this? Subscribe and leave a comment down below if we should do more Thomas the Train. Isn't it so fun? Beep, beep. Oh, hi, Gordon. How's your day? Guys, Thomas the Train is just so amazing and fun for all us little kids. Like, we're going into 5th grade and we love Thomas the Train. Our whole school was talking about it.
Guys, you guys gotta see this. Look at this. You see this? Thomas the Train right here?
That's not Thomas, that's Gordon, dude.
They're looking at its booty. Okay, look at that. Okay, he's gonna ride on the track and then
Yeah.
he's just gonna.
Did you see how cool that was? Dude, look how fat he is. He broke the track. Duh. Leave a comment down below if you think Gordon's so chunky. Look at this thing.
Leave a comment down below if you like big chunkus.
Yeah, but
And subscribe and leave a like if you want a free pair of headphones and a free Thomas the Train. Leave a like and subscribe.
that's Gordon, dude. It's not even Thomas. Guys, in the video. You're copying. Okay. Alright, you do it, and I'll press the button. Alright, do it. I'll press one button. I'll press the button. Say goodbye, guys.
Alright guys, we're just gonna end the video here because bang.